Hey Bookers, and welcome to Advanced Reports Training. This lesson is for administrators and for those with reporting access enabled for their Booker logins. Today we're going to learn about Customized Views, which helps you filter through appointments, customers, and orders to find specific information, along with the Members Report, which helps you find information about your members, and also how to track your loyalty point liabilities. Let's start with Customized Views. This is a fantastic tool for filtering out information and showing only certain data that you want to see. First, you need to log in. To access Booker, go to booker.com. Click on Login at the top right corner, and on this page, you can type in your account name, username, and password, and then log in. Customized views can be found in 3 areas of the system, depending on the information you are looking for: appointments, customers, and orders. I'll show you each of them, and we'll start by going to the Appointments tab, then accessing Find Appointments. Customized views can be found on the top right-hand corner of this section, next to the wrench icon. Clicking it will show all of the filters available. If you only want to look at last month, you can do this at the top by the pick list. If you wanted to customize your own dates, you can choose Select Dates. If you want to see all facials that were done last month, you can select Category, Facial, then hit Apply. You can see 49 facials, but canceled appointments are listed here too. You can filter to see only appointments that were paid for and completed by using this status dropdown. If you want to filter to only show appointments completed by our staff member Jenny, you can use the staff filter here to select her name. As you can see, this is a helpful tool for finding information, and you may be wondering how this can benefit you. If you wanted to email all of Jenny's facial clients about a promotion she is running for next month, you can easily locate the email addresses for each of those clients here, so you can let them know. You can click on the Columns mini tab, go to the Customer subcategory on the left, and check off the email box to create a new column that shows the email addresses of those customers. Make sure to apply the filters to make the information appear. If you wanted to export this list, you can do that by clicking the Export button on the left side here. If you want to save this customized view as a report, you can do that by typing in a name in this field, check off this box next to List as Report, and select Save and Close. Once saved, you can easily access this from the Reports tab or by using the drop-down here. If you wanted to delete this view, you could do so by clicking Delete this view. You can use customized views in 2 other areas of the system as well. If you go to Customers, Manage Customers, you can, for example, find all members who visited last week. If you ever wanted to reset the search filters, simply hit the Reset button here. You can also go to Orders, then Manage Orders, and show all orders last month that had products and services in them. You can also make a new column that shows the product's sales amount. There are many different ways you can filter information using customized views, and you are encouraged to play with these filters to become familiar with it. Next is the Members Report. This is the best way to keep track of your members, whether currently active, frozen, or canceled. You can get to the Members Report by clicking on the Reports tab. Here you will see that Booker has a list of reports categorized into sections. The Members Report is located under the Customer section. If you are ever curious about what each report shows you, feel free to click on the Help bubble next to it to see a brief description or a link for it to the Help Center page. When you open a report, you'll notice that nothing's showing up. First, you need to select one of the date ranges from this drop-down. If you want to view your membership base for this month, select to run this report for this month. As you can see, there are currently 42 active members. Their names and contact information is listed, along with the membership each customer signed up for. You can also see when they first signed up, whether they paid a prorated fee for their first month, along with other information. If you wanted to see how many canceled, expired, or frozen memberships you have to date, simply use the filters up at the top of the report in blue. If you wanted to arrange any of these columns in ascending or descending order, simply click on the small black arrows at the tops of each of the columns. For example, use it on the sign-up date column to see everyone's sign-up dates in chronological order. If you wanted to print any report in Booker, simply click on the Print Report button on the top right of the page. If you wanted to export any report in Booker, you can do so by selecting the file type you'd like to export it to, and then select the correct option from the pop-up window. Lastly, let's go over loyalty points liability. If you ever need to track your loyalty point liabilities, this report will display the total monetary value. To get to this report, look under the Accounting Analysis section of the Reports tab. Let's run it for this month as an example, since we want to see all loyalty points activity for this date range. As you can see, this lists each customer's starting balance, new amounts earned, any amounts spent, any points expired, and any manual overrides that were done. The final balance is listed on the far right. If you click on someone's name, you can see more details, such as any orders in this time frame where any changes to loyalty points occur. Today we learned about customized views, the members report, and the loyalty points liability report. These are useful tools for gathering and tracking the information you'll need to help your business run and grow. If you are looking for more information on Booker, please feel free to visit the Booker Help Center. This is by far the best resource available to you as you familiarize yourself with the system. You can access it at the top right corner of your Booker account by selecting Help and Training, and then Help Center. Here you can search for keywords, browse through various topics, and watch training videos 24/7. Thanks for watching!